Hi, I'm Olive from Olive to Craft, and today we're getting ready to go back to school with some cool science experiments. We're making 2 different types of volcanoes and testing to see which one has a bigger eruption. You're going to need some wet sand or wet dirt. I'm using Kinetic sand. You're also going to need some red soda, Mentos, baking soda, white vinegar, red food coloring, and a small empty bottle or cup. First, we're going to make a cone shape with our Kinetic sand. We wanted it to look like molten rock, but we didn't have enough black sand, so we mixed in some brown sand. Feels so weird. Now we're going to take our empty bottle and build a mountain around it with our Kinetic sand. Now we're going to pour our red soda into our volcano. Now we're going to put on our safety goggles and drop our Mentos into the volcano. Now we're going to try a different type of eruption. I put some baking soda in a new bottle. Now we're going to add 5 big squeezes of red dye to our baking soda. We're going to put the bottle back into our volcano. Now we're going to put in our white vinegar. Now get your craft on and get your happy on and have a science-filled school year. Bye! It's raining tonight. Thanks for watching. Now get your craft on and get your happy on and have a volcano. Thanks for watching. Now get your craft on and get your happy on and have a volcano. We're gonna put 11 more Mentos in the volcano.
What happened? It didn't work this time.
It needs more soda.
I think the reaction only happens once, guys. Try pouring in the soda. I think it's done, guys.
I can't open it. More soda.
It didn't want to work. Hey, hey, hey! That's enough. That's it. You did it. Oh no, the villagers are